Hi, Sydney. Are you ready for 73 questions?
Yes, come on in. Welcome to my home.
What's your natural hair color?
My natural hair color is dark brown, like my roots.
Eye color?
Green.
How tall are you?
5'3.5". That's what short people say. We always have to add the half.
Where were you born?
Miami, Florida.
Dogs or cats?
Anyone that knows me knows the answer. Dogs, of course. This is Jack Jack.
If you could raid one woman's closet, who would it be?
Olivia Palermo. I'm obsessed with everything she wears, her street style, her red carpet. She's just flawless.
Favorite fashion trend of all time?
A pointy pump.
Favorite beauty trend of all time?
A bright red lip.
Favorite beauty trick?
Well, I actually keep eye patches and eye rollers in the refrigerator because I get really dark circles under my eyes, so it keeps them really cool and it feels so good when you put it on. By the way, do you want a water?
That'd be great.
Here you go.
How do you define beauty?
I define beauty by being confident with yourself.
What's your go-to outfit that makes you feel good?
Basically what I'm wearing right now, so a button-down, jeans, but I'll always add a very high heel pump.
How would you describe your style?
Classic, feminine, and polished.
What book positively shaped you?
The Secret.
What is something you can't do?
I cannot do cartwheels. I wish I could.
What did you want to do with your life at age 12?
When I was 12, I wanted to be a fashion designer, but hey, I still can.
What's your favorite food?
Sushi.
Least favorite food?
Licorice, black licorice. Ugh, so gross.
Favorite fast food?
Well, actually, do you want to come outside? You can see it from here. So let's head outside. So down there is a Taco Bell. I'm obsessed with Taco Bell. I try not to eat it too much, but I always get 2 soft taco supremes and a Baja chicken chalupa.
Sweet or savory?
Savory.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Favorite drink?
Rosé.
Favorite ice cream?
Mint chocolate chip.
Who should everyone be following on Instagram?
At Sydney Summer.
Were you named after anyone?
I actually was named after 3 different people. So my great uncle passed away when I was younger, and his name was Sydney. He spelled it differently. And then I had 2 uncles named Joe, so my middle name is Joelle.
Best gift you've ever received?
Ooh, the best gift I ever received is from my mom. So for my 21st birthday, my dad passed away when I was 13. So she took the diamond from her engagement ring, and it's so beautiful, and she put it on a chain with these little diamonds. So it came from both my dad and her and my stepdad, and I just cherish it always, and I always wear it on special occasions.
Best gift you've ever given?
The best gift I've ever given was to an ex-boyfriend. His favorite artist was Roy Lichtenstein, so I created this pop art painting of both of us together. I don't know if he still has it though.
Last gift you gave a friend?
The last gift I gave a friend, one of my best friends just gave birth, so I got her for the delivery room this white hat box with blue roses that last a year for her baby boy.
What's your favorite gift you gave yourself?
Ooh, I have to show you. So when I turned 30, I've always wanted a Chanel bag, and I bought myself this classic Chanel bag, and it just felt so good that I worked so hard that I could actually afford to get this for myself.
Favorite country to visit?
My favorite country to visit is France, but specifically Paris.
Last country you visited?
The last country I visited, actually I have to check. Hold on, let's head to my blog. So, I have a whole travel section on my blog. I can't remember where I was last. Let's see. Oh, Jamaica.
What country do you want to visit?
I really want to go to Croatia. Jack Jack. Hi, baby boy. But unfortunately, Jack Jack can't go.
What is the furthest you've been away from home?
Australia.
Window or aisle seat?
Always window.
What did you do before blogging?
I was the fashion editor at Style Network.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow, but my favorite color to wear is white.
Least favorite color?
Brown.
Diamonds or pearls?
Diamonds.
Heels or flats?
Heels.
Pilates or yoga?
Pilates.
Jogging or swimming?
Oh, swimming. I can't run.
Beach or mountains?
Beach, definitely. Hi.
How do you stay grounded?
I keep a gratitude journal. So every morning I write down 3 things I'm thankful for. Jack Jack makes the list almost every morning. And it just helps me remember that I'm so blessed in life.
What's your favorite board game?
Cranium.
Favorite holiday?
Halloween. I'm obsessed. I always DIY my costumes.
What is the best activity for a rainy day at home?
Ooh, rainy days. I love having tomato soup, and I make grilled cheese, and I dip the grilled cheese in tomato soup and watch Netflix.
What's your favorite movie?
I have two, Godfather and Clueless. They're so different, I can't choose.
Scary films or happy endings?
Happy endings.
Favorite Disney movie?
Sleeping Beauty.
Favorite TV show that's currently on?
Handmaid's Tale. I'm obsessed. It's so creepy. I can't wait for season 3 though.
Do you bake?
Oh gosh, no, I cannot bake. I don't know why, I just can't follow directions on measurements, so it never works. But I can cook, and I have food recipes on my blog.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flowers are yellow tulips,
Favorite smell?
roses,
Favorite sound?
the ocean, just the crashing waves. It's so relaxing.
What's one sport you wish you could play?
I wish I could play beach volleyball, but my wrists are too sensitive.
What is your favorite feature about yourself?
My eyes.
What is your least favorite feature?
Oh my gosh, my scars. I have scars all over my body because I'm so clumsy.
When was the last time you cried?
So not that long ago, my dog, Miss Bunny Bell, Jack's sister, passed away, and I cried every day, and I still cry. I'm like gonna tear up right now. So probably like 2 days ago.
Who was the last person you talked to on the phone?
My mom.
Who was the last person that texted you?
I don't know. Let's see. My best friend Janine.
Who was your first celebrity crush?
Patrick Swayze in Dirty Dancing.
What's one thing you learned the hard way?
That people do not change unless they want to. I did a whole YouTube video on that.
What's your favorite hobby?
Painting. Actually, I did this painting above my couch. So when I have free time, I do like to paint.
If you could master one musical instrument, what would it be?
The guitar.
What was your first concert?
Gloria Estefan in Miami.
Favorite song?
Led Zeppelin, Stairway to Heaven.
What are you listening to right now?
I don't know. Alexa, keep playing. Alexa, turn off. Michael Kiwanuka.
What's your favorite season?
Summer, obviously. Sydney summer.
Hugs or kisses?
Hugs.
Do you have any siblings?
I don't. I'm an only child, but I do have 4 step siblings.
What do you do when you get nervous?
I play with my hair as I'm doing it.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
To cure cancer.
What's your most used emoji?
Kiss face.
All right, here's our last question.
We're at the last one already?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that was fast.
What's your favorite quote?
Oh, my favorite quote. I have so many favorite quotes. How about my favorite quote of the moment? Does that work?
Yeah.
Okay. So my favorite quote at the moment is, "Don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle."
And that's it.
Thanks for coming, guys. Bye.